Hey guys, this is C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to be doing a review of the steel wheel piercer. This ought to be fun. I have two here. There's actually three, but had these two and I grabbed them real quick. So let's go ahead and open them up. We won't waste time on that stuff. We got our typical product information in there. In the box comes in a bubble wrap. We'll lay that one down, get that out of the way. We'll open the other one. All right, let's see what we got here. Alright, first of all, we'll start off with just basics. The piercer has a D2 blade, a G10 handle. This one has a black stonewash finish. This one's a satin. It is 7.5 inches overall. The blade length is 3.2 on all of them, and they weigh in at about 3.5, 3.75 ounces. Now a piercer, when I was looking this up, made by Thomas Rumisi, I can't pronounce that name, but it's an Italian dude. It's an everyday carry. It's used for cutting, piercing things. They wanted it to be very tough, where it could even cut wood. But it's not a fighting knife. So, as you can see there, fits your hand nicely, no matter how you have to hold it. Has typical flipping hole. It's a liner lock. Check the lock up on it as we go down. See about play. I like to check it all the way. No play in that knife. It has a deep carry pocket clip, as you can see here. Like those. Nice spacer. We'll go ahead and show you how it cuts. Let's grab some stuff here. Start off with our typical paracord. Yeah, this knife can be it's very sharp. Carry on the outside or on the inside of your waist, since it does have the deep carry. The handle is very comfortable. Excuse me. Go ahead and try it on this. I feel like I don't even have to do anything on this one. Very smooth cutting. Steel wheel, this is a new offering from Steel Wheel. Just came out a couple of weeks ago. Let's try the other one. Clean it off a little bit. Hopefully I can hold this tight enough. Pretty smooth. Maybe if I'd have got the whole thing, there we go, we would have got on through it. It looks like on this one that the pocket clip can be turned around. So there's your, can be used by left-handed or right-handed. Go ahead and let you guys know that if you like our reviews, to follow us at Atlantic Knife on Instagram and on YouTube at Atlantic Knife. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell. Make sure you comment. We are always there to answer questions or just respond to your comments. Very smooth knife. So we'll wrap it up by saying I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.